we go, Zinger Slingers. Hey, I want to talk to you about something today that's super easy, a little benign, but you should probably know about it. Every single Zinger that comes off of our production line is backed for a ladder. So whether the unit has a ladder on it, like this unit, or does not have a ladder, you know that it does have backing in there to add a ladder if the customer absolutely has to have one. What you'll need to do is get a hold of our service department, and they'll send the service department a diagram of where that particular unit is backed for the ladder, and it's super easy to go ahead and add it. So all the Zinger product except my 18 footers, the Zinger Lites, single axles are not backed for the ladder. Every other product is. So Zinger Lites, dual axle products, all are backed for ladder. All are fully walkable roofs. There's other videos out there that'll show you probably a little more detail on that, what we use on the roofing system. So back for ladder, each and every Zinger except single axles. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.